We got the amateur welder over there, just sticking metal together. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna make a hat rack real quick. I just have some flat bar. This is 1/2 inch. And I have some 1/2 inch square somewhere. But I need a better option for my hats. So, because we have a bunch of scrap, we're just gonna make one real quick. I already made one for my wife. I'll show you right there, and then I'm gonna cut this out, clean it up, and then I'll show you kind of what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. Don't forget, safety first. All right, we're gonna cut them down to, I think this is close to 4 inches. Yeah, 4.5 inches. We're gonna cut this one down to 4.5 inches, and then we're gonna cut 2 out of this, so I have 4 total. We're gonna 45 them, and we're gonna tack them on. And it's basically going to be 2 straps. I'll have one at the top, one in the middle, and then we'll offset. One in between these 2 and one in between these 2. We'll drill some holes, paint it black, we'll hang it up. Cut these out, clean them up, bevel them, and then tag them on. Okay. Clip it! You'll have to come find them. All right, we got all 4 cut out. Clean up the edges, get all this rust off, get all the mill scale off, and then we'll tack them in. This is what it's like having kids. So we came out here to do a welding project, and now we're going to go ride dirt bikes. So catch you guys in the morning. Bye. A couple weeks ago, I started a project that I never finished because I'm me. So I'm going to finish my hat bracket while I wait for the other stuff to cool off. We'll get that. Yep, there we go. I wait for the other brackets to cool off. I'm going to finish my hat rack. So I got everything prepped and ready to be tacked in. And then I'm probably going to paint it. So super simple design. I just took some of this 1/2 inch, cut it at a 45, and then we're going to tack it onto this 3/4 flat. We'll drill 2 holes, and then I'll put it up. Now the other thing that I'm going to try and do is stagger these because they're going to be in kind of a tight spot. So basically what I'm going to do is one's going to be hung higher than the other. Hopefully this should work out and I don't have to cut a longer piece, but I think it should be fine. All right, there we go. So that's what they're gonna look like. They're gonna hang on the wall like this. I can hang, ooh, can't even see it. They're gonna hang on the wall like this. I can hang my hats from them. No, I'm not gonna weld them all the way around. They're gonna hold like 2 pounds at the max, and I don't really care what they look like because they're gonna be covered up with hats. So I'm gonna let those cool and then throw some black paint on them. We'll drill some holes and hang them in the closet. Give these a good old whack ski. And drill my hole. All right, we'll do the other one. Drill them out. Hit these with a flat disc. There you go. 2 hat brackets made for $0. Let's go paint them. There it is, all done. Open up yourself some shelf space for me. Inspired by my one that I built for my wife. Now, as I'm standing in my closet, I'm gonna give you the spiel. If you like what we're doing, you like what you see, building things cheaply and effectively with what we got to help maximize our space, like, comment, subscribe. Got a bunch more stuff coming. See ya.